Hi, if you want to change clock font and color on lock screen on your iPhone 16e, then first thing you're gonna need is to press and hold your current lock screen, enter PIN code or password if you have one, and then you'll see this option to edit it. Here tap Customize, select your lock screen, and tap on Clock. Now we can change font just by tapping any option. You can also swipe left like this to check all of them. And in some of the options you can change intensity like that. After that you can also change color by tapping any of the options from the list, or you can tap on this color picker and manually choose it from grid, spectrum, like that, sliders, like this. And you can also manually enter code here. Let's just close it. And after that, you can also tap on this globe icon to change its style. So you can tap on Arabic, Eastern, for example, and this is how it will look now. So you can also swipe up to check all of the available options. And as you can see, some of them we can customize as well, but I'm gonna switch to this default one. And also you can tap on color picker again. And after that, tap on this tool named dropper to manually pick color from your wallpaper, like this. And now you can immediately notice changes. And when you're done changing it, you can just tap on your screen and tap done to save changes. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.